Excited. It's going to be a great experience. What he said. Hey Chaz, how many vinyls did we just do?
We just got 24 of the hottest Mellowscape songs on the market. We did really nice, I think. I haven't heard any of them yet, so I mean, what are you gonna do?
What's up, guys? It's the Mellow Boys, Robbie and Chaz.
What up, what up?
What did we do this morning? This afternoon?
Just finished up doing some vinyls. We cut some vinyls.
24 to be exact.
Yeah, of 5 different songs. We had, honestly, awesome pre-orders from a lot of our friends and family and fans out there. And we were like thrilled because we got in there and we're able to like just crunch out a bunch of songs. But the cool thing too is we had a lot of extra time. Not a lot, we had a decent amount of extra time, and we made some wholesale ones too. So we cut some extra vinyls. So if you catch us at some upcoming shows,
we'll have them.
Yeah, we'll have them for sale. What do you think of the whole thing, Robbie, honestly?
It was a fantastic experience. If you ever get the chance to do it. It was pretty smooth. They knew their stuff for sure.
Yeah. We should say Jules, the person who's...
Jules.
Yeah, Jules was awesome.
Absolutely. And we had a great time overall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was dope. Super fun opportunity. Honestly, Leesta Vall, like, huge thank you to them for reaching out to us. And
for sure.
They have a dope business model going, and it's like, we couldn't shut up when we left the studio. We were like, that was fun. That was cool. So yeah, we were thrilled to do it. So now we have the rest of the weekend in the windy city of New York, and we're just gonna get out here and just get our hands dirty out here,
Right. We're gonna stay mellow out here in New York City. Robbie, what are we doing? We're gonna get some food. Tacos, maybe. Chaz found a parking spot on the first try. It was amazing.
That's what I do.
It's the best thing to happen to us.
Why don't we just turn right and just start walking towards the out place? And then if we find sorry, something. And then if we find food we want, we stop.
Okay.
Because I'm not super hungry.
You know where you park?
What do you dress up for? Nothing but a perfect idea. What does that perfect idea look like to you? Is there a possibility it couldn't be real? Is there a possibility I couldn't be real? To wake up at 4:30 in the morning, to go to work, put on new work shoes, workout work sweater and pants. Can't forget those pants. It looks like your grandmother has died again. Time to put on a suit for someone who can't even see you. Behind those eyes closed, behind that casket. What do you dress up for? Who do you dress up for? Wake up at 4:30 in the morning to go to work. Put on those work shoes, workout work sweater and pants. Can't forget those pants. Wake up at 4:30 in the morning.
Chaz, what are we doing right now?
We are hunting for a parking spot, which is a fun game that Nathaniel and I have been doing. This is a little Nathaniel and Chaz a little rhythm section bonding experience. We've been playing a really fun game called Is That a Driveway or a Fire Hydrant? Driveway. And yeah, driveway. And yeah, it's cool. Robbie needed to use the facilities. Driveway.
Yeah, Robbie's out of commission, so now we're hunting for a parking spot.
Driveway, fire hydrant, driveway. Fire hydrant, driveway and fire hydrant. Say. But no, it's a good time. We got back. We went to a dope bar called the
The Owl Music Parlor.
God damn it! I keep fucking up. Owl Music Parlor, which was really dope. It was this cool place, like Prospect Park, Brooklyn. I say that like I know anything about the city. And we got some pretty good pizza.
And met some locals. Saw some good music.
Yeah, really, honestly, really talented musicians. Sick sets, different things, and I think ready for some bed. Well, after we park.
Yeah. Well, then we'll have a beer, and
then Robbie will judge us. But I'll have a beer.
Yeah.
But hey, really fun day. Awesome day one, full day, and tomorrow is just an adventure day.
Yeah.
So who knows what happens?
Stay mellow.
Always.
Okay. Good morning. What are we doing, guys?
Right now we're walking.
Getting a fucking bagel, dude.
Yeah.
Right, Nathaniel? We better get our bagels.
Last night I woke up at 3 a.m. Nathaniel had a shard of glass to my throat, and he was sitting on my chest, and he said, "If we don't get a bagel by 9:15 in the morning, you're dead." So,
it's true.
For the sake of my future, I guess, children and for myself, gotta get that bagel. Let's get that bread.
I'm kind of curious too about these New York bagels.
That is home.
It's all right. Chaz, what are we doing right now?
We're just walking past the cathedral.
Which cathedral is this?
St. Patrick's Cathedral. It's the Cathedral of New York.
Huh. Why do you want to see this cathedral specifically?
Well, because it's the cathedral. We were walking past it. Don't turn this into like some kind of weird, like, Chaz is the weird Catholic of the group.
Well, you are.
I don't like to say weird, I just like to say.
You're definitely the weird Catholic.
What up? I'm here with my boy, William T. Sherman. T stands for Tecumseh because he's part Native American, I think. That's Chaz facts. We haven't done enough Chaz facts this trip.
Keep them coming, dude.
You're gonna regret that so much.
We can superimpose them on the bottom of the video.
That's good.
Have a little stamp of approval. Yo, what up? We're in Central Park. Just a mellow day with the Mellow boys. That's all I got.
You enjoying yourself, Robbie?
Yeah.
Do you want some?
Want some more? Dog, dude. Can I bet that dog? Can you?
What's up?
You guys have any thoughts about Carnegie Music Hall?
I estimate 200-300 years before we'll get to play there. Yeah, but it'll happen. Oh, I got my bass back to the Airbnb. I'm thinking we just ask if there's anybody playing the night to see, you know?
Where are we at, Chaz?
New York. No, we're in Bryant Park.
So vicious.
Me?
No, the pigeon.
Oh. Robbie wants to kick one really bad.
I do. They're just asking for it. Getting up under the feet and shit.
Anyway, we're having a lovely time.
right now, boys.
Yo, yo, yo. Welcome to our Mellow studio.
Whoa.
Mobile Studio. MMS. TM.
CPR.
We're definitely just about to do this, like right now. This is gonna happen. We're gonna do this.
Right after we're done doing this a little bit.
Right.
We're we're on the road on our Brooklyn trip, and we thought it would be fun to do a little Brooklyn session, a little like a parlor / studio / basement session that we've done in the past. However, we're doing it in
New York. There's the proof.
the Windy City.
Right there.
And here we are. So we're gonna film some of your favorite songs. And yeah, that's our game plan. So keep an eye out on the YouTube or other sources of video. I think that's really the only place. Keep a source for our YouTube and Instagram.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some coming to you soon.
What's going on, boys?
Woof. That was quite the session, wasn't it? That was quite the session. And you were there, and it was great that you watched it and listened to it. We just had a great time doing our little parlor session here in New York City, Brooklyn to be exact. Yeah, we filmed about 7 songs.
Yeah, 6
Right?
or 7.
6 or 7. Acoustic / low key. It was a pretty cool setup. We got all these mics set up. We got the mixer over there, the laptop, and
The Robbie.
Yeah, we got Robbie. We got Chaz sitting right here next to me.
Yep.
And I thought it was a very productive session, boys.
Yes, it was. Anyway, see you back at home.
Yeah.
And as always,
Stay mellow.
Alrighty, boys.
Yeah.
We're going home.
Headed back to Pittsburgh. We just packed up. As you can see, we got all of our gear, all of our guitarists. We got them all in the back. We're ready to go. A little co-pilot. We have one last stop, and that's to get some bagels. And then we're hitting that PA turnpike after an NJ turnpike, I think. Whatever Google Maps tells me. And then we'll be back in Pittsburgh in like 3, 4, 8 hours. So, awesome trip.
It really was.
Lots of cream cheese, please. Plain cream cheese? Yep, regular. Thank you. Nope, that's everything. Thank you.
What up, Chaz? What'd you get?
I got a lox sandwich. Cool bakery. Yeah. I'm ready to eat this. I don't want to talk. Okay. I'm sorry.
Robbie?